But Chef Cheryl Ann Shortt-Charles has been home cooking up a storm, and we've been enjoying some of the recipes she has been doing for us. So here she is again. She's whipping up something a little fancy this time, using dairy powdered milk in a creamy tomato saffron chicken. Chef!
Hi everybody, we're back again in my home kitchen, and today we're going to do chicken for lunch. We're also going to use the dairy full cream milk powder in this dish as well. So the first thing we're going to do, I have some chopped up chicken breasts. You could use whichever part of the chicken you like, thigh, leg, but I like the chicken breast. And I'm just going to put some simple black pepper. Let me put my pot on so it can start heating up. Some salt and a little onion powder. Right? No set of green seasoning in this right now. I have some butter here, and we're going to saute our chicken. So I'm going to put some butter in my pan, and to that, when it's all melted, I'm going to add some onion and garlic to it. So I wonder, do you think Joel is missing me? I wonder, boy. So we saute down the onion and the garlic, and now I'm going to add chicken pieces. Now while the chicken is cooking, another part of our ingredients. So I have some chunked tomatoes that I'm going to add to the food processor to puree. There we go. That's it. Let's check on our chicken. Now remember, chicken breast cooks very fast, so you don't have to worry about it. Unlike if you're using the thigh, if you're not a breast person and you like your thigh, you could go right ahead, and leg, you could go right ahead and use that, whichever your heart's desire. So I'm going to take this out now, set it aside. And into the same pan that I sauteed the garlic, the onion, and the chicken in, we are going to add our pureed tomatoes. There we go. Now to this, I'm going to also put some paprika, saffron, and dairy full cream milk powder. I'm going to stir this up. Now if you notice, now the dairy full cream milk powder is replacing what you will normally put in a dish like this, which is heavy cream. And if you notice how nice and creamy it's coming without it. There we go. And add a little salt. Black pepper. And to this, final thing we're going to add, slow our stove down a little bit, some Parmesan cheese. To that, stir that up. And we're going to put our chicken back in. Now, as we like to say, while this is kusume, I did some pasta to go with it. Now you could do some pasta, you could do some rice, you could even have it with quinoa, whichever you like. So while I have this on low, just kusume in a little bit, I'm going to put my pot on to the back. Add some butter, add some garlic in there. And I had some spaghetti. We're going to add the spaghetti in there. Toast that up. Alright, so our chicken is finished. Smells good. So we're going to plate our creamy saffron tomato chicken with our dairy full cream milk powder in it. Right? And the spaghetti. Just twirled. I just did a simple twirl, people. Anybody can do it. Rest it in the middle there. Alright. Just a little more of our sauce on top. Let's put a little piece of chicken for Joel on top. And here we have it. Our creamy saffron tomato chicken with dairy, full cream, milk powder. And you're going to enjoy it as much as I'm going to enjoy it for you as well. Enjoy.